All right, good morning, everyone. We are out here on the CBR today, and we're going to go meet late to the ride, Mr. Jose, and we got a special surprise for you. It's always a good day for that special surprise for everyone. Now, you know Jose's been riding a 2020 Royal Enfield, but spoiler alert, he did get something new. It's going to be good. We're going to get up on this bike. We're going to meet him at his house. Then we're gonna probably gonna ride up to 9W, get some breakfast. Yeah, we'll check it out. We'll show you what he got, and we'll talk about it a little bit. All right, so let's get on this bike. But first, let's get that cold start, baby. Oh yeah. Here at Jose's house here, and look what he's got. A nice 2002 VTX 1800. Wow. Looks clean. Looks beautiful. It's liquid cooled. Look at this thing.
Old enough to drink.
Old enough to drink. That is true. Old enough to drink. Yeah, let's hear it. Oh yeah. That is pretty loud. So he doesn't really know much about the bike. He doesn't know what kind of pipes are on there, but this thing looks like it's been taken care of, and it sounds like a beast. So we're gonna get on this road to do a little ride up to 9W, get a little breakfast, and let's see how it is. So he's gonna lead, and I'll follow him. Let's see if you can hear my bike over it. I can't hear mine. I can't hear my bike anymore. Woo! There's a pop, baby. Yeah, it's 2002. I mean, like Jose said, it's old enough to drink, but I mean, the thing is clean. It sounds good. He rode it an hour and a half away home. On the highway, he said it still pulls. It's only 5 gears, but the thing just pulls, and it's a beautiful bike. I mean, the paint is pristine on it. The chrome looks shiny. Well, good luck on cleaning that chrome. Yeah, but man, it is beautiful. So let's hit this road. We're gonna take a deeper look into it once we get up to 9W. All right, I'll see you up there. So we just ate breakfast at the 9W, the market. Now we're over here at it's called Rostock picnic area. We'll show you the nice area right by the George Washington Bridge. This is one of a few spots that we get to enjoy. We get to come to. It's not that far away from Jersey City. right, guys, so we're here at the, what is this place called? Rostock Picnic Area.
Yeah.
We're going to take a look at Jose's bike here. His new bike, all right, 2002. This bike is old enough to drink.
21 years old.
Yeah, but this thing is clean. Look at this thing. So it's a Honda VTX 1800.
From what I gather, it's the Spec 1. So it's the 1800C.
Oh yeah, I don't even, what does the C stand for?
I don't know, custom, I think?
Yeah. I mean, you got some add-ons here. You got a backrest at least. Trust me. What's your name will like that? Christy will like
Christy
that.
would like that. It doesn't come with a seat, though.
It doesn't come with a seat. Who needs a seat?
Who needs a seat when you've got a backrest?
Yeah. But this thing is really clean. The paint is nice. The chrome is all nice and shiny. Good luck with that. I mean, you do have the polished aluminum wheels.
Yeah, that's alright.
I do like the wheels though. They look nice.
Yeah. Still won't be able to. I need to get 90-degree.
Oh yeah, 90-degree thing. Wow, this fender is really close to here. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, nice and tight, right?
Yeah. That's like the size I want for mine, for my Harley. Oh man. This thing is beautiful though. For a 21-year-old bike. Look at all this chrome.
Clean enough, man.
Got highway pegs. What does it say? 5-speed?
5-speed gearbox. It comes with the hypercharger or whatever that is. Some performance stock, exhausts.
Yeah, we don't know what kind these are.
Have to research it a little bit.
Maybe if you take off the heat shield, maybe it's on there somewhere.
Yeah, maybe. Or maybe it's just underneath and I haven't looked.
Yeah. Those pipe looks nice. A little burnt at the end, but who cares?
Actually, I like having a little color, you know.
Yeah. I mean, look behind the pipe here. It looks all nice and blue and.
It's like a little blue, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But honestly, even with a heat shield, my inner thigh kind of like sits here a little bit. I feel it.
Yeah, you feel the heat?
I feel it.
This is actually water cooled. Now the numbers on here is what?
So
if it was new.
It was new. They were claiming 106 horsepower at 5,000 RPMs, and they're claiming around 115 to 120 foot-pounds of torque at about 3,000 RPM.
That's more than the M8 107. And this is a 21-year-old bike.
Yeah.
So Harley needs to get up and do something about it here.
And that's stock. That's without any modifications.
Yep.
So.
I mean, that's probably numbers to the crank, but
yeah.
Even then.
And for the value, right? It's just it's crazy.
Yeah.
I get so much money. There's so much bike for the money that I spent for it.
Shaft drive.
Shaft. Never have to worry about chain again.
Don't have to worry about a chain. No, you still got the Royal Enfield,
yeah,
so.
Well.
You have to worry about that chain. You want to worry about... I'll give you mine if you want mine. But look at this. We got this from the top.
Look at this. Look how clean the friggin' thing is.
Yeah. The odometer.
Look at all the lights work and everything.
Turn it on. Let's see the ignition. We do have to replace this ram mount.
Yeah. That's just there for for now.
Look at that.
The lights work.
All the lights.
It was at 26,001 miles when I bought it.
Oh wow. You put 256 miles already. Yeah, man.
I just bought this thing.
Just bought it. Got a good deal on it. It was clean. If it wasn't this clean, do you think you would have picked it up or no?
I would have waited.
Yeah.
I would have waited.
But I mean, this is nicer than some of the bikes coming off the showroom floor, like the new ones. Whoever had this bike before him took care of it, and I know Jose, he'll take care of it too.
Try my best. All right, you want to hear it?
Yeah, let's hear it. Let's hear it.
before we wake up all the dead bodies in
Yeah.
in the Hudson over here.
You're gonna raise the dead with that thing. It actually sounds louder than the Harley. Than my Harley. It's definitely louder than the Honda there.
I still hear your Honda when I'm behind you.
Well, you know, I mean, you do hear it. It's a nice... Is it annoying, though, when you're, like, cruising at 70, 80?
If I'm on the highway, it's not annoying. But if I'm going, like, 45s, 50, and a local highway, and I'm kind of behind a car and all, it gets a little...
Yeah. Yeah. And we got to figure out what kind of pipes those are. That sounds nice.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is the bike Harley should have made. I mean, I know it's...
Well, I did get it from a Harley dealership.
Oh,
Actually,
yeah.
I do want to shout the people out from Marbs in Mount Ephraim,
Nice.
outside of Philly. They were kind enough to let me test ride this on Tuesday, and got me a decent deal for it.
Nice.
I wish I could have gotten the price down a little bit more, but...
Yeah, what are you going to do? You know what? I mean, you just need to freshen up. Little tires.
Tires.
Maybe get rid of the... You do have popping sounds.
Yeah, maybe a little tune or just...
or that's how they are. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, man.
Oh, and I think I need to clean the air filter or get a new air filter.
Yeah.
Because it definitely doesn't look the best.
Can you see it inside?
Yeah, you can see it from the inside there.
Yeah, you could probably just get a freshen kit, whatever that is.
Yeah.
You have one for your...
Yeah, or... Because I don't know what it is, right? So I could probably just get a DNA.
DNA, yeah.
DNA.
But even then, you could just
Yeah.
clean that out, freshen it out.
Yeah.
It'll be looking good. Whew. But congratulations.
Thank
Very
you,
nice
thank
bike. They have put a lot of miles on it. Don't look back. It's a Honda. It'll run to over 100,000 miles easy.
That's the plan. 100K.
So where's our first road trip? Well, I can't do a road trip on this, but I can do.
We gotta wait for Dave's front wheel to come back.
I know. If I can hit a pothole on the New Jersey Turnpike.
I mean, you can road trip that. It's just gonna take us, you know, you gotta stop every 100 miles.
No, I don't want to road trip that thing. No, no. It's bad enough. I gotta wear my side satchel here. No. I'm used to bags. I'm used to comfort. I did 700 miles one way on my Harley. I'd rather do 700 miles on that. But anyway, guys, I hope you liked today's video, guys. Check this man out here on Instagram.
Late to the ride.
Late to the ride. Hey, you're not that late. And you're faster than most Harleys now. I can't wait to see what the guys say about that.
Oh man, I'm gonna get so much.
So just me,
Harley
yeah.
guys.
No, you're not gonna get heat from them. So when you smoke them, that's when you're gonna get heat from them. So, well, anyway, guys, if you like today's video, hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button. Every time I upload something, go to YouTube. Will let you know. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Later. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video, but it's not over. I know you want to. Just click this video right here. Right. If not, just subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.